Hello, I'm Travis with Technical Prospects. Welcome back to Tech Tips. In this video series, we're going to discuss the new Syngo Go on Syngo Native, and today we're going to learn where your local service page is stored and how to find your event messages in the new message viewer. To access the admin portal from the home screen of your Syngo Native, you're going to hover over the gear or the cogwheel, and you're going to select Administration Portal EN. This is a new local service page for Syngo Native. There are multiple different ways to log in. You can log in with your system's username and password. You can log in with a service key. You can log in by importing a new service key or copying and paste the 280-digit service key as well. Today we're going to log in with the username. I'm going to use my system administration name. And I'm going to log in to the admin portal. The new design of the admin portal has your message viewer or old event log in the upper right. It's a little icon. You hover, it says Open Message Viewer. Pause for a few seconds. You can double click in the top heading to maximize your view. And you can search for your system errors, warnings, or informations. This is how you access the new Syngo Message Viewer in the admin portal. Whether you're a seasoned expert or just getting started in medical imaging service, this series on the Syngo Go and Syngo Native is designed to elevate your comfort and knowledge of the platform. Click that like, subscribe to our channel, leave me a comment below of any tips, suggestions, or comments. Visit our website at technicalprospects.com and click on that resource tab for more videos like these.